in this practical, we will determine whether chlorophyll is indeed necessary for photosynthesis. For the practical, you would need a destarched leaf which is variegated, which means that there are parts that are green which contain chlorophyll, and other parts, if you look on the margin here, you will see that no green pigment occurs in that leaf, and that's why it is colorless. Now, what do we need to do to destarch this pot plant? We would have to place it into a dark cupboard for about 48 hours to ensure that all the starch that has been produced previously will have been used up, even the parts that would maybe be in the non-colored parts of the leaf. Once we have left this pot plant outside for a few hours, I will then pick one of the leaves and I will test for the presence of starch as shown previously in the first practical demonstration. Now, once we have done that and we have tested for the presence of starch and we have added iodine solution to the leaf after the test for starch, we will see that the parts that did contain chlorophyll has now tested positive for starch. But on the margin, where we see that no chlorophyll was present, we will see that the iodine solution has stayed its brownish color. The middle of the leaf, if we compare it to this leaf, shows that the parts that contain chlorophyll have turned to a darker color. Now, I have placed the iodine solution onto this leaf, and the longer I leave it, it will actually turn even darker. So we can see a definite difference. The longer the iodine solution stays on that leaf, it will turn even darker to a blue-black color.